welcome back to my show. And today we are going to, today is our day 6, not day 6 of our math series challenge. And today we are going to cover a very important topic today. That is exactly not about a school level, but is for Olympiad wise. Yeah. So now you must be thinking, why is it Olympiad wise today? Why am I making this day 6 and day 7 as my very important topics? Okay. So now let me tell you what happens is today we are going to do integers. So in Olympiad chapters, there are many students. Actually, they're just like me. Even I was confused when I was studying for my grade 5 Olympiads. I was very confused that is integers coming or is not, or is it important to study or not. So let me tell you first, it is a very important chapter and you must do it if you're giving your Olympiad chapter. Now there is one more doubt I want to clear for everyone, especially the parents. If you think that Olympiad is the right choice or not. So let me clear that it is a very good choice because I have reasons for it, because it also improves your child's, or if you're the one you're seeing this video, it helps you to improve your mental aptitude and also helps you in that maths challenges, or not only for maths but you can also give for science, SST, computer, even Hindi has come, IHO. So this is a very nice platform for you. This is a very nice platform that I think that can help you a lot. Okay, so now without wasting any more time, let's start our chapter. So today we are going to learn integers, day 6 and part 1 of our integer chapter. Learning objective. Learn integers in Olympiad wise and cover the important topics. We're going to learn the integer not in school wise but in a very challenging wise, that is Olympiad wise, and it's not at all hard. Actually, it's a very easy chapter that I think so, and this is my opinion, in which way I'll teach you, you will feel it very easy. Okay, so topics to be covered: definition, example, negative numbers, absolute value, and many more things. So let us start with our definitions and let us understand what do integers actually mean. 1, 2, 3 and here we go. Now, definition. When a whole number that can be positive, negative, or a zero but not a fraction or decimal is known as integers. For example, these are separated, but what are real exact examples are like 7, 036 or minus 78, whatever. These are examples. My integers can be these, but my integers can't be 0.5 or 5 upon 10. Wrong. My integers can't be this, but it can be this. Okay, so like we don't need it now. We got to know already. So now I have separated because many don't know what is positive and negative. So who all don't know, let me explain them. That positive is two numbers like 2, 4, 6, 8, 1, 7, 9, whatever, after 0. Yes, after 0. I'll explain you this in a number line system also. What are negative numbers? Negative numbers are -2, my negative 2, negative 4, -3, -6, -8, whatever that are before 0. Okay, now let me tell you why are we learning this now and not before. When we subtract a greater whole number to a smaller whole number, we don't find the answer in the whole number system, but these numbers do actually exist. They actually exist. Now let me show you in the number line system. Okay, so let me show you the number line system and tell you how it looks like in the number system way. Okay, in our number line way. Okay, so here we go. Now in our number line system, what do we see? Let us find out. Here, just don't see this greater, smaller, negative, positive, and the circle. What do we see exactly? -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? We do see this. Now, but the exact question is that, like, why do we say them negative and positive? After this right side, this does not mean for this. What am I explaining? Does not mean for this. Okay, any number which has plus sign. Plus sign is also known as positive sign in our number line system. Plus sign or only a number known sign is known as positive. Okay, a sign which has minus or negative sign, only negative sign, okay, is known as negative. Okay, now I hope this explanation is now okay for you. So now let us understand this. What have I wrote here? Greater, smaller. What do I exactly mean by these two words? Okay, let us find out now. Okay, so you see any number going from any number, not only after 0 or after 1 or after -1, whatever. Whichever side goes like this is your greater. Right? Whichever side goes from this side is smaller. Now how do we get that? Someone says you that is -5 greater or -2. Of course, we know that 5 is greater, so in negatives also we'll say like -5, -5 is greater, but that's wrong. Yes, it's wrong. What do I mean now by wrong? -2 comes before then -5. How can it be -5? How can -5 be greater? -2 is greater. Okay, I hope you get this explanation now. 0 is not a positive number or a negative number. Okay, now let us understand the in our pointers what we discussed. Let us understand the absolute value. The absolute value. So let me make up my board, and then we'll meet you. 1, 2, and here we go. Now, absolute value is the distance of that integer from 0 irrespective of the direction. Example, or like negative or positive. Okay. So if you still feel any doubts, I can again repeat this. What do I mean by the statement? The absolute value of an integer is the distance of that integer from 0 irrespective of the direction. For example, negative or positive. Okay. Now, what is the symbol of the absolute value? It's like two lines parallel to each other. One like this and one like this. So, for example, the absolute value. Okay. Now, the absolute value of negative 3 is equal to 3. The absolute value of 6 is 6. Now, I want to tell you to remember. I want you to remember this very important thing. The absolute value of an integer will always come in positive. Positive, but the directions may be opposite. I.e., positive or negative. The absolute value of 0 is 0, and the term modulus. Term modulus means absolute value. Okay. Now I want you to do some questions. We'll do some questions together to get our understanding better. Okay. So, questions. Matrix, I can erase this for you. You don't need this. So, I hope you understand what is opposite. In questions, we'll understand more better. Okay. So, first one is, okay. These are some questions, and by your understanding, even whatever you understand, you have to write the answers. I think so many of the students, or not many, like some students must have not understood the absolute value in first chance, just like me. So it's totally fine. You just try some questions, and then we will discuss the answers. So I give you these are very easy. So I give you So I give you 5 seconds. Okay, 5 seconds. 1 second for this, 1 second for this, 1 second and for this, and 2 seconds to revise. Okay, so I give you 5 seconds, and then we will meet you. Okay, so your time starts now. Time's up. It's 5 seconds are done. Let us discuss the answers. It will be always positive. So absolute value of 82 will be 82. This is already positive, so it will be 320. 43 will be turned into 43. So simple. Yes, it is very simple. Now I give you. Now we have done this. Now let us do some. Okay, let us learn one more thing. Yeah, let us learn this. It's very interesting one, and I hope you will love it. What is this now? Additive integers. Now, what do you mean by additive inverse? It is very simple. Two integers are called each other if their sum is same. Oof. So now additive integers are two integers are called additive inverse of each other if. What do I mean by if? If the sum is same. Okay. Now, opposites. Additive inverse, and now there's one more thing I would like to say you also. In additive inverse also, there's something like it is also a very important topic, that is opposites. So let me read you the definition. What do I mean by opposites? So if I draw a number line, you will always see a thing. Okay, whenever I draw a number line for an integers, you will always see that every. So Alex, you won't understand like this. I have to make you understand by a very easy method that we all do. Questions. What is the opposite of 37? We didn't learn this, but you will understand. This. First tell me, is this a positive number or a negative number? Correct? It is a positive number. So what is the opposite of a positive? Negative. So 37's negative is minus 37. Let us check that. Am I correct? Okay. Minus 37. Because minus negative 37 is a negative number. Negative. So, whenever you're very confused in understanding these all, these are things, the better way is to do a question, see its solution, and understand what does exactly it means. Okay. So now I have lost my marker's cap. So by the time I find you, I'll give you some questions to solve. Tab tak I will find my marker's cap. And if I don't know what is going to happen. So let me give you some questions. Now for additive, I'll give you additive. State the opposites of the following, okay? Some opposites, some additive inverse, and many questions I'll give you, okay? I don't know where is it. What happened? Okay. Yes. So your first, it is opposites also and additive inverse also. I'll give you both questions, okay? Minus 59. One. Second question can be 27. And I think so I can give you I can give you 29. Now let me state additive inverse. And you know this is opposite number. Now by the time I search my marker's cap, you do your questions. So okay, I can give you more questions exactly. Okay. Minus 27. These both are your additive ones, and I give you time till I find my marker's cap. Okay? So your time starts now. Times. I found my marker's cap. Okay. I think so you understood. Okay. Now your time's up. Now I think so most of the people must have not understood the question. So except of question number 1. Let's do question number 1 quickly. Okay, sorry. Equal to minus 27. Yeah, the additive version of minus 27 is. So guys, before I do this, if you were studying, before studying you must have come to this before seeing this video, must have come to that one. So it was a test for you guys. Yes, it was a test for you. I was just teaching you for the opposites. While I wrote this 59 answer, you know what, in additive inverse, you answer is 127 and this is 0. So your opposites, in your opposite versions, if you get minus 57 or minus, or if you get 57, or if you get any number and ask you the opposite, your answer will be always 0. This was a quick small test for you, and whoever have got passed, a clap for you, and whoever got this wrong, it's fine. Even when I was learning, even I was tested by my mother, and even I was failed. So Same page, but let's us understand what did we do the mistake. So, here, let me tell you how did we go. Minus 27 minus 127 plus, yeah, you didn't learn addition, right? Correct. Just 127 plus, I mean the positive 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so 29 plus I think so. This will be helpful. I hope so. This video is going to be very helpful for you today, and I'm gonna upload some in this only some questions of this, and my part 2 I'm gonna make you learn. Very important. And if I don't remember this, please tell me in my in our comment section what are we going to do. So we are going to learn addition of integers. We are going to do addition of integers. That is very important. Addition using number lines, addition using without number lines. We're going to learn subtraction of integers also. Then we have many things like So in the grade 5 syllabus, we are only going to do addition and subtraction, and in our so this is our day 6, and I hope you liked this video a lot. And again comes the summary part. Let me make it clear. Who all are new to my channel, you must let me tell you that from like the perimeter of no perimeter area and volume part 3 volumes, I have started using summary, not the overview, because overview, whenever I give overview, all learn that, and in like mostly people get confused in that when they get own summary. So I want you to make your own summaries and learn from that. And if you have doubts with your own summary, you can post it in the comment section, or you can show it to your parents, and I know that they must help you. They will help you. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and it's tomorrow will be our last day of 7 days maths challenge and part 2 of our integers. We're gonna learn many things tomorrow, do some questions, and today I'm gonna upload one question paper, not question paper, but a small worksheet for you, which will be going to be very helpful for you. Now so thank you so much. Who all are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and who all are done, thank you. So like to our channel, subscribe, share it to all your friends, comment down whatever what new all things do you want. Like my next series is going to be science series. Yes, science series. 7 days science series, or it's going to be many other things. Whatever you want me to do for you, I'll do it, and I hope you keep learning like this. So thank you everyone. I hope you enjoy this video, and see you.